Greetings friends, I just got this package in from Hedgehog out of Thailand and I was pretty excited about it, so I wanted to do a bit of an unboxing for y'all. This is obviously something great for the Turbo 103, the Benz Coupe, Bruno sa Coupe even. So this comes from Hedgehog Racing, and this is a 3mm MLS Head Gasket. Let's get this open here. So MLS, multi-layered steel. Get a look at that and see layers, 3mm. So these M103 engines are not really known for good head gaskets. They blow head gaskets just in a naturally aspirated configuration. And so when you're going into boost like I did, you really should probably start with an uprated head gasket and some new head studs. But I kind of took a little bit more of a fix it as you go approach. And so, of course, that leaves me here where a few months ago my head gasket did let loose, and I speculate that that's what took my turbo out because coolant in the oil and then the oil feed line to the journal bearing turbo was just inadequate, and the oil was basically pretty creamy with coolant, and then the turbo just didn't like that at all. Journal bearing didn't hold up to that. So very excited. Hedgehog Racing out of Thailand. Just really cool product. So I'm excited to put this in. It is, it's 3mm thick, so Hedgehog said they thought it might drop my compression like 1. So right now I have a 9.1 to 1, I think is what the compression is. So maybe this is going to go down to 8.1 to 1. A little lower compression is definitely going to be better for boost. But just really excited about this product. I'm going to put a link in the description to get a hold of Hedgehog. I had to get a hold of them on Facebook, and that's how we communicated. And then the shipping was really quite quick. I did coordinate my own shipping, but I took delivery of this in 3 days. So pretty cool. And the Hedgehog crew was really pretty easy to communicate with. So yeah, I'm excited for this update, and that's going to allow us to turn up the boost just a little bit more, in this turbo project. And, that's going to get us, for sure, we're going to get to 300 wheel horsepower the next time we hit the dyno on this. We're going to go up to about 10 PSI from the 8 PSI that we're sitting at now. So there you go, friends. I was just really excited about this, and I spent a long time looking. To my knowledge, Hedgehog, and there's one other company, I believe it's TE Motorsports. I'll put a link in the description to their MLS head gasket as well. But these were the only two that I found, and both of them were coming from outside of the United States. So I don't know where TE Motorsports is. They're in Europe, I think. And then of course, Hedgehog coming out of Thailand. So they do some really cool stuff, and they've got some good products for M103 engines. So there you go, friends. Looking forward to the install on that, and like I said, I was just excited, so wanted to bust it out for you all and show it off right away. So there it is. Thanks for checking in. We do definitely have a whole rebuild for the top end of the turbo Benz coming in to take this all apart, and we're going to do the timing chain and the belts and tensioners and all of the different things. I've got some vacuum hoses and things that we're going to replace as well, and do a nice refresh on this while we're in there. And of course we have a brand new turbo to slap in here. So soon enough we'll be back behind the wheel of Bruno sa Coupe and really living the Benz life again. So anyway, friends, enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll catch you on the next one.